Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas video again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the weekly and daily, because today the weekly candle is finished. And if you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, and you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline. It will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at that, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord. The link of them is down in the description of the video, because in Telegram and Discord you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see here today, that the weekly candle here, it's finished. I know it's small, let's zoom it a little bit for picture to get more clear to you. As you see it, what it done, that the last week, that green candle here, it gave us here a very nice pattern here, that red candle and that one and that one. But that week, it fell down another candle here, that red one, which is here. But the good news here, that candle, it couldn't break here, the 200 moving average again. So everything here in the weekly, it's still looking very, very nice and great. Nothing was changed. And let's wait and hope it's going to give us, like here, you see here what the market done. It stays sideways, then it came that pump here. Now maybe even here the same thing. The only thing now, it take long compared to that time here, but till now everything still looking great here. No matter how long as we stay above in that 200 moving average, everything still good. And as you see here, the 50 moving average, it started bouncing up. Also, we need to wait until it's going up, or we're going to break that last high, which is here. So here in the weekly, there is nothing new. Yes, it came that red candle here, that one here. But the good news here, we couldn't break that level here. That's the good news. And I got for you something else here in the weekly. Let me show it to you. I got for you here the down channel, as you see it. As you see, before we used to have here a wage. That way us we enter long. People that been with us, they remember that wage very well. When it's getting broke here, we enter long till here. Now the market, he gave us here a down channel, as you see it. That one we need to be focused about it. If we are going to break it above here, that means us we are going to go more higher. Or if we break in the 200 moving average, that means us we're going to fall down here to touch the lower here. So till now everything still looking great, but me, I don't think so we are going to fall down. Why? Because us we are very, very, very close to the halving cycle, and me have been talking with you a lot about that halving cycle. Us we are very close here to break it above here. Maybe we're going to break here in the top, and the market is going to go more higher. But that one I want to show it to you, because also we are very close to the halving cycle. So I don't think so there is a mega dump is going to happen. If it happen, a small dump, maybe it's going to fall down just to here, to that level here. And also we are very close to it, that level here. I tell it to you between 24k to 23k. I tell you that level in the previous videos. I think picture is too clear, guys. That's all. Here in the weekly, there is nothing new. Now let's going to see the coming news for today. So let's go in there. Here we are, that the coming news for today. Today, Monday, we got a very, very, very busy day. As you see it, guys, we got a very, very, very busy day. Remember that? Look what we got. We got for USA services PMI, and we got that ISM non-manufacturing PMI. Both of them, that one, the first one, it's focused about services. Second one, it's focused about non-manufacturing. So you need to be focused on what's going to happen, guys. Today is a very, 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 very special day. You need to be focused about it. It's going to tell you what US economic is doing. As you see it here, what it's telling us. For non-manufacturing, it's showing maybe it's going to fall down. And for services, as you see it, it's going to stay in its place. And that one is going to tell us about US dollar, if it's going to go up or no. So tomorrow you need to be focused, because that one, if it's falling down, US dollar is going up. And when that one is going up, US dollar is falling down. Always working like that. So you need to be focused about tomorrow, how is US dollar is going to do. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And what we got here is our friend, the table of us. We're looking at it every day here. Look at it here, what it's telling us till now. All US stocks, they started the week green. If you remember Friday candle in the SP 500, the Nasdaq, everything gave us a new high. That's good news. But we need to wait in Monday candle how it's going to end up. If you remember what me have been telling you. Even the same thing here, we're going to wait in Monday candle how it's going to end up. So there is nothing new here. Plus here is our friend, is the VIX. Look at it. Today also we are 14. That means currency it's very, very, very low. After the debt ceiling it's being signed by Joe Biden, the president of USA. So everything's still looking great. There is nothing new here. Plus even the US dollar, it's still going up. That's why you see the Bitcoin, it's falling down those days. Because the US dollar is still going up. Even if you trade in the Forex, all the pairs of Forex, the cable of British pound, it's falling down. The Euro US, the same thing. But I think also we are soon we're going to reverse from that falling down. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now it's going to the daily to see what is it there. So it's going there. Here we are in the daily, we still for long-term trading. Here, same thing, nothing was changed. We still have here in the top that level. And down here, the down channel here like that. I show it to you even that one before. I told you need to be focused about it where we are going to get broke. If we break it above here or down here, because the top of it we touch it here. I show you even that one. And I show you another thing here. I told you we got here a very, very clear triangle here like that. Show it to you even that one before. I told you till now we couldn't break above here and we couldn't break down here. So everything still looking the same. Nothing was changed, guys, here in the daily. And for us, for long-term investors, there is nothing yet. Us, I show you that. Let me show it to you again. For people who just came now, I show you we buy us from here 20% from our capital. And I told you if it fall down here to the 200 moving average, we are going to buy 50% from our capital. That for long-term investors, not for scalpers or swing trading. For long-term investors, when it's going to fall down here and it's going to touch the 200 moving average, we're going to buy. And here today, look what it's showing here in that level here. Let's zoom it a little bit together to see those things. Look at it. If you remember, I told you now the Bitcoin is stuck here between the 50 moving average and 100 moving average. Look at it. Till now he couldn't break down here and he couldn't break above here. So till now everything's still looking the same. And tomorrow candle, I tell it to you that I've been talking about it thousands of times. I told you Monday candle is always going to do against what is the market is going to do all the week. And as you see here, the 50 moving average every time is getting closer to the 100 moving average. The 50 moving average is the quicker one. If it cross below, that means also we're going to fall down to the 200 moving average, guys. So you need to be focused about those things. What is it in front of you now? Because look at it over here. We've been in an uptrend. How we've been far away. Then it started getting closer. Now it's very close to cross below. But that one is for short term, not for long term. For long term is both of them, they crossing above the 200 moving average. I show you all that before. People they've been with us for some time now. They remember that. Also we crossing here. Look at it. Over here it's crossing the 50 and over here it's crossing the 100. And the 100 now, it's always when it's crossing above or below, it's reacting like a very stronger support. Now if we break the 100, also we are going to the 200 and also we are going to buy from here because it's always doing that. That the last dump before the mega jump. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, you remember yesterday what I told you here? I told you the Bitcoin, he tried to give us here a cup and handle here. That's how it's showing till now. So the neckline for that one is going to be here, down here. If it's breaking down here, we need to enter short, guys. People they've been with us, we enter short from here, from the top. Until now, there is no reason for us to close the short. And I'll show you even here in the last video, I told you. Guys, we got here a very, very clear flag till now. That's the flag. I'll show it to you. Yes, now it needs to fall down till here for us to know the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that. And you got even here a price action, another price action. You can make it like that. You got here a very clear symmetric triangle like that as you see it. Even that one you need to be focused about it, where we are going to get broke either here, or we are going to enter long from here up, or is going to break down here, and also we are going to enter from here short, guys. Everything is very simple and very clear. And today the Bitcoin, he tried to break here, that level here, that one here. By the way, in my Telegram channel I give you their pictures and signals. My Telegram or Discord, depending on what you prefer, I give their signals, pictures and all those things. So I give them here. When it's breaking here, if it closes like that, also we are going to enter long, but it doesn't. Look at it, it fall down very quick. And I told you now we need to be focused at that level which is down here. If we are going to break it here, and I just show you here now, you got a trend line like that, very clear trend line here. If we break in here by power, how we going to break by power? That means the volume of that candle which is going to break is, if it's being very big, that means the market is going to fall down. Take profit, it needs to be here at that low here, which is here at 26k down here. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And we got something else here. Let me show it to you. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So now let's go into our indicator, what it's saying here. Here we are, that our indicator was still only for swing trading. That one when we used to be here at the overbought area. I told you guys we got down here, the trend line here. Or either we're going to touch it here, or from that wall here we're going to bounce up. Till now it's showing he couldn't bounce up from that wall. Now it's showing maybe it's going to fall down to touch here, that low here, or that trend line here. Then from here it's going to bounce up. So till now it hasn't touched down here, so we need to wait in a little bit. And also now look where we are here in the middle. That means no one is controlling it till now, no bulls, no bears. But me, I prefer here, and I think the bears, they still powerful than the bulls, because look at it, he tried to cross here above, but there is no power to push it up. That's why me, I told you maybe from here it's going to fall down to touch that trend line here. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, you remember us from here when it was here at the overbought area, and we are here in the top of that channel here. We used to have here a double top here, very clear. It's breaking the neckline. Also we enter short, it fall down till here. Then also we said there is no entry long yet, we need to wait in more the price action. We show you here we got a cup and handle, it couldn't break the neckline. We show you now we got here a level like that, it couldn't break the neckline. And now we show you here, look at it, we got here a symmetric triangle, very clear symmetric triangle here. Now we need to focus. If we are going to break here, we're going to enter long. If it's going to break down, it's going to fall down, and I think it's going to fall down a little bit to the oversold area. Then from there we're going to try to find another buy opportunity. The oversold area is going to be here at that level here. Look at it, that level here of 2650. That one you need to be focused about it. Maybe the Bitcoin here, if it fall down here, try to take the profit. People, me, I'm talking here about the people they enter with us short from here. And from here we're going to try to find a long entry again. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today for scalpers and day traders. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you, yes you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, without the help of you and you and you and you, that channel is can growing up. So please support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it. Thank you very much, my friend. Here we are, that the candle as we've been talking about here in our Telegram channel is that one here. Look at it, it came up till here, then they push it down till down here, so we couldn't break above, so there is no entry long yet. And down here, me, I told you guys to wait in here at that level here. That one here, we need to wait in at it. What the market is going to do here down. Even if it's breaking that low here, don't try to enter long, guys. Don't try to enter short or long. Everything is too clear. Always if it's breaking down here, we will enter short, or it's breaking above here, we will enter long. Everything is too clear till now. And here, you can do something like that. But that one is getting broke till now. Look at it. What you have here, that one, look at it where it's getting broke. It's getting broke here at that level here. That means that one is going to fall down till down here. That if you want just to enter from that level here to that one here. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, look at it. It's being here at the overbought area here in that zone. Now what shall we do? Shall we enter short? Me personally, I will not enter short only if it's breaking down here. But you, if you want, you can enter short based on the triangle here. That one here I show you here before, because that one, it's breaking here, but you need to be focused at that level, which is here. That one here, what the market is going to do here, if it's break it down, it's going to fall down more. If it's not, that means it's going to stay stuck here, because that level, look at it, the level me I'm talking about is that one here. If you came here and you drawing a line like that, you need to be focused at that level here, what the market is going to do till now. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.